Welcome to Part 2 of an overview of the Surveys feature in the OCMS Portal. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, you'll want to do that either before or after this one. It covers the main Surveys page and the basics of working with surveys. In this tutorial, we'll go over how surveys populate the assessments in your tools. We'll begin by visiting the Stakeholder Assessment tool. There are two individuals being assessed for three key metrics: receptiveness, availability, and influence. To send a survey to these stakeholders to populate the metrics, we'll scroll up and click the Send a Survey link. This automatically opens the Stakeholder Assessment Survey template. Click Save if you don't need to make any edits, or you can click Edit to edit any of the text. The project that you're working in will automatically populate into the survey. It's important not to change this, as the system needs to know the correct project for populating the responses. You'll note that the survey is designed to collect those three metrics on the stakeholder assessment. Click Save when finished editing. When ready to send, click Send Survey. You can send your survey via email or by using the link option. To send by email, the individual's email address must be included in your project's target audience list. I'm going to send by email and choose the two individuals from my Stakeholder tool. They're both tagged as a key stakeholder. If you like, you can edit the email, then click Send. The recipient will receive an email with a link to the survey. They'll fill it out, then click Submit. When you open the stakeholder analysis again, you'll see their answers automatically populated. And that brings us to the end of Part 2 of our surveys overview. After you've watched Part 1 and 2 of this overview, you'll want to look for the Survey Reports tutorial to learn more about your survey reporting page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.